Hi, my name is Gemma and I study physical geography and geology at the University of Plymouth. So I first heard about the GeoIntern programme by just looking online and finding loads of different I was just basically looking for internships to be able to get experience in this kind of industry, and I came across this and it just sounded absolutely amazing. So I was appointed the Urban Seismology programme where we were looking at microzonation in La Laguna to find the soil frequencies to see the amplification that earthquakes may have. So microzonation is where you basically cut up an area into loads of little zones to be able to see in depth the soil frequencies rather than looking at it as an area in whole. And it's very important in a place like La Laguna because they have built the city on top of lake deposits, so the soil is very soft in some places, and there's just a complete range of different strengths and harnesses of the soil and rock. So on a daily basis, we would start off in the field and we would set up a seismometer and all the equipment in one location. And then we would check it on the computer just to make sure everything's running smoothly. And we would wait there for 2 hours just for it to take enough measurements to be able to get accurate readings of the peak soil frequencies, and we would do that in 3 different locations every day. So then back at the lab, we would take all the equipment and the software and all the data we gathered and upload it onto computers to then put it through programs such as Geopsy and HV Inverse, just to be able to analyse, to be able to actually visually see the data, to be able to interpret it, to then put it onto a map so we can visually map out the results to be able to see what areas are more vulnerable than others. So on the weekends, GeoTenerife organised some absolutely amazing excursions for us. We went to what translates to Hell's Canyon, an amazing gorge walk, which was absolutely amazing views, absolutely gorgeous, with a beautiful waterfall at the end, as well as trips to see stargazing, which was just absolutely incredible. So clear, and the knowledge I got from that, from listening to experts talk about something they love, was just phenomenal. So we also went to Los Gigantes to see the rock formation there, from all the lava flow from the volcanic eruptions that have been on Tenerife, and to see the scale of it was absolutely incredible. It made me feel so small. Just to see how big and how much these rocks had formed and built up over time, and it definitely topped off the day by seeing some dolphins on the boat tour, which was just absolutely incredible. So for urban seismology, all I can recommend is you almost do a bit of reading or a bit of research about seismic waves and the maths and physics behind them, because that would be a real advantage. And also just go for it. If you're thinking about applying, just apply, because it's such a great experience, and the knowledge I've acquired over the last month will for sure help me with anything I want to do in the future.